అపర కుబేరుడు ముఖేష్ అంబానీ కన్నీటి పర్యంతమయ్యారు. తన కుమారుడు అనంత్ అంబానీ ప్రీ వెడ్డింగ్ ఈవెంట్లో మాట్లాడిన మాటలకు ముఖేష్ కన్నీళ్లు ఆపుకోలేకపోయారు. తల్లిదండ్రులు తన కోసం సర్వం చేశారని కొనియాడారు. తన జీవితం పూల పాన్పు కాదని, ఎన్నో ముళ్ళు ఉన్నాయని ఆవేదన వ్యక్తం చేశారు అనంత్. బాల్యంలో ఎన్నో ఆరోగ్య సమస్యలను ఎదుర్కొన్నానన్నారు. తల్లిదండ్రులు ఆ బాధలు తెలియకుండా చేశారని చెప్పారు. వారికి ఎంతో రుణపడి ఉంటానంటూ ఎమోషనల్గా మాట్లాడారు అనంత్ అంబానీ.
This is created by my mother and no one else, and my mother has gone all out for the last 4 months. She's worked for, I think, 18, 19 hours a day, and I'm extremely grateful to Mama, and thank you so much. Uh, I'm, I would like to thank each and every one of you present here. I know everyone has made it to Jamnagar to make me and Radhika feel special. We are all honored and humbled to have all of you here. I am sorry if we have caused any inconvenience to anyone. Please do forgive us, both the families. So I hope everyone is going to enjoy the coming 3 days, and I would just like to thank my mother, my father, my sister, and my brother, my sister-in-law, brother-in-law, for making this event so memorable for me and Radhika. I think my family has gone all out to make us feel special. Everyone has been sleeping for less than 3 hours a day for the last 2-3 months, and it's extremely I'm so happy that I can share this joy with everyone out here. I really don't have words to express my gratitude. As many of you know, my life has not always been entirely a bed of roses. I've also experienced the pain of thorns. I've faced many health crises since childhood, but my father and mother have never let me feel that I've suffered. My father and mother have always stood by me, and my father and mother have always made me feel that if I can think, I'll do it. And I think that is what my father and mother mean to me, and I am eternally grateful. Now I'll come to Radhika. I'm 100% the lucky one. There's no doubt about that. I also don't know how I got Radhika. All